Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on our videos. In this video, we'll explore the common risks associated with working on cars, from electrical hazards to heavy lifting, and share essential safety tips to help you stay safe in your garage or workshop. Get ready to learn how to protect yourself and others while pursuing your automotive passions. Common risks when working on cars. Working on cars can be rewarding, but it also comes with its fair share of risks that every car enthusiast should be aware of. From electrical hazards to exposure to harmful chemicals, being knowledgeable about potential dangers and taking necessary precautions is crucial to staying safe in the garage. Electrical hazards. When dealing with vehicles' electrical systems, the risk of electric shock is a significant concern. Any contact with live wires or faulty electrical components can result in severe injury or even death. To handle electrical components safely, always disconnect the battery before working on any electrical parts. Wear insulated gloves and use insulated tools to reduce the risk of electric shock. Risk of burns. Burns is a common risk in auto repair, particularly from hot engine parts, exhaust systems and chemicals. Protect yourself by wearing appropriate gear such as heavy-duty gloves, long-sleeved shirts and safety goggles. When working with chemicals, ensure proper ventilation to minimize exposure and always read the safety labels on products. Exposure to harmful chemicals. Chemicals like gasoline, brake fluid and lubricants pose serious health risks if proper precautions are not taken. Avoid skin contact by wearing gloves and protective clothing. Store chemicals in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources and tightly seal containers after use to prevent accidental spills or leaks. Injuries from moving parts. Working on moving parts of a car such as rotating belts, fan blades and engine components can lead to serious injuries if caution is not exercised. Always wait for the engine to cool down before touching any moving parts. Use sturdy jack stands when working underneath the vehicle, and never place hands or tools near rotating components without ensuring they are properly secured. Stay informed about these common risks and prioritize safety at all times when working on cars to enjoy a fulfilling and secure automotive hobby. Safety precautions and best practices. Before diving into repairing your vehicle, it's crucial to prioritize safety precautions and best practices to ensure a secure working environment. By following essential guidelines and adopting proper measures, you can minimize the risks associated with automotive repairs. Personal protective equipment, PPE. When working on cars, always equip yourself with the necessary personal protective equipment, PPE. Gloves shield your hands from sharp edges and harmful substances, while eye protection safeguards against debris and chemicals. Additionally, wearing appropriate clothing can prevent burns and injuries from tools and hot surfaces. Proper training and knowledge. One of the fundamental aspects of car repair safety is acquiring proper training and knowledge. Ensure you understand the basics of automotive systems and have the necessary skills before attempting any repairs. Lack of expertise can lead to accidents and further damage to your vehicle. Work area safety. Maintaining a safe work area is essential for accident prevention. Keep your workspace organized and free of clutter to avoid tripping hazards. By creating a clean environment, you reduce the risk of injuries and ensure a smoother repair process. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working on cars. Taking precautions and following best practices not only protects you from harm, but also enhances the efficiency and success of your automotive repairs. Stay safe and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. When to seek professional help. Complex repairs. When it comes to intricate repairs like transmission work or major engine overhauls, it's crucial to recognize when it's best to defer to trained mechanics. These types of repairs require a deep understanding of automotive systems and specialized tools that may not be readily available to the average car owner. Trying to tackle these complex tasks without the necessary expertise can not only lead to accidents, but also result in further damage to your vehicle. Seeking help from professionals ensures that the job is done right the first time, saving you time, money, and potentially a headache down the road. Lack of equipment or tools. One of the most common pitfalls of DIY car repairs is the lack of proper equipment and tools. Attempting repairs without the right tools can not only be frustrating, but also dangerous. Using makeshift tools or incorrect equipment can lead to accidents and mistakes that could have been easily avoided. Professionals are equipped with the latest tools and technology to handle any repair job efficiently and safely. It's vital to emphasize the importance of using the right tools for the job to ensure the task is completed correctly and without incident. Remember, safety should always come first when working on your vehicle. By recognizing the complexity of certain repairs and understanding the importance of having the right tools, you can make an informed decision on when to seek professional help. Knowing your limits and acknowledging when to hand over the reins to experts can save you from unnecessary stress and potential risks. Keep in mind that professional mechanics have the knowledge, experience, and tools to get the job done right, allowing you to drive with confidence and peace of mind. Car maintenance and repair can be a fulfilling hobby and a valuable skill to possess. However, it is crucial to acknowledge the potential dangers associated with working on cars. Safety should always come first when handling tools and dealing with mechanical components. Remember, a moment of oversight can lead to serious accidents or injuries. Summary of importance. Throughout this article, we have explored the various risks involved in working on cars, from sharp tools to heavy components. We have emphasized the significance of following safety protocols and utilizing protective gear to prevent accidents. Prioritizing safety not only safeguards your well-being but also ensures the longevity of your vehicle. Prioritizing caution. It is imperative to approach car maintenance with caution and respect for the power of machines. Every task, no matter how routine, should be undertaken with care and attention to detail. Investing time in understanding proper techniques and safety measures can minimize the likelihood of mishaps and errors. Encouragement for proper training. Seeking professional guidance or enrolling in courses to enhance your automotive knowledge can significantly bolster your competency and confidence in tackling repair tasks. Continuous learning and skill development are key to gaining mastery in car maintenance while mitigating risks. Remember, an informed and well-prepared individual is better equipped to handle challenges that may arise. Final thoughts. As you delve into the realm of working on cars, remember that safety is the cornerstone of every successful endeavor. Embrace a proactive attitude towards safety practices and instill a sense of responsibility in your approach. By fostering a culture of caution and preparedness, you can navigate the intricacies of car maintenance with resilience and precision, ensuring a seamless and safe experience each time you embark on a repair quest. As we conclude our discussion on the safety considerations when working on cars, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the potential risks and safety measures to prioritize in your DIY automotive projects. Remember, by following proper safety protocols, using the right tools and equipment, and seeking professional assistance when needed, you can enjoy working on cars safely and minimize the risk of accidents. Until next time, may you continue to pursue your automotive passions with safety and confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.